Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. 1600 cc's, a V-Twin big bore power, fuel injection, liquid cooled shaft drive, beautiful two-tone blue and silver paint scheme. This thing has running lights. It's got the full windscreen with the wind guards, engine guards, floorboards, passenger backrest, color matched locking side bags, only 18,000 miles. It's got a tachometer, heel toe shifter. This bike is loaded. Come by, make your big bore luxury touring dreams come true for just $49.99. This thing is gorgeous and runs beautifully. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.